Follow me along as I recreate this new viral recipe called the Marry Me Salmon, and check the comments for the ingredients and the full recipe below. So for the salmon, I use butter, olive oil, Tony Chachere's no salt seasoning, Louisiana Cajun seasoning in the orange bottle, and black pepper. For the sauce, I use 2 cans of coconut milk, Tony Chachere's no salt seasoning, sun-dried tomatoes, 2 bags of Parmesan, the juice from half of a lemon, fresh parsley, 1 shallot, 2 cloves of garlic spinach, and your choice of rice. I use jasmine rice because it's my favorite rice. You can also sub it for basmati. Asparagus would also be a great side dish. My greedy self couldn't wait to eat the meal, so I didn't get a chance to cook it. But you guys just do as you please. Use it as a side dish if you like. So when I cooked my salmon, I started off with adding my garlic and half a shallot to the pan. I let that fry for a little bit, but I didn't want it to be burnt. I just kind of seared the salmon on the top with the butter towards the end about 5 minutes before it was done cooking. And that's how I got that nice golden color. For my sauce, 2 cans of coconut milk, and everything else can be added in no particular order. Definitely be heavy-handed with the Parmesan, as that's what gives you that consistency of heavy cream here. Don't be stingy with the Parmesan. Don't be stingy with the spinach. As you know, you can cook a pound of spinach but only get 2 little pieces out of it. Yeah, and just add all those other ingredients in that sauce. Dump it on top of the salmon, and look at there. Yes. This recipe was a 10 out of 10. Follow me for more.